Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make sorrel concentrate, and with this concentrate you can use it to make cakes, you can use it to make drinks, use it to make anything that you need a regular sorrel concentrate for. So sit back and relax. Let me show you how easy this is to put together, and it's perfect for this festive season. So to make this, I'm using the Caribbean flavors dried sorrel or hibiscus. We're going to be adding this to a saucepan. So I'm using about 4 cups. You can make less, you can make more, but 4 cups gives you a really good amount. And I'm going in with 6 cups of water. You don't want to add too much water, but you want enough so you can get a good concentrate. Now I'm going to go in with orange peel, ginger, ciliment leaves, some pimento berries, star anise, and a piece of cinnamon stick. Grate in some fresh nutmeg. Add in a few cloves. Sweeten with sugar or not, you can omit the sugar if you wanted to. And now you're going to bring this up to a simmer. Now this has all of the flavorings in it, so you can use this to make your sorrel drink for Christmas. Remember, it's going to be concentrated, so you would use a little bit and then dilute it with water and ice to give you a nice drink. So once it starts to come up to a simmer, allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it has reduced by half. And you can already see that beautiful ruby color. So I'm going to allow this to simmer until it reduces by half. This is what it should look like. The syrup would be nice and thick. The more sugar you put into this, the more thicker the syrup is going to be. So look at that beautiful color. All you have to do is cover it and allow it to cool down and let it steep some more. And once you've let it cool down for about an hour, you can go ahead and strain it. Now you want to empty your petals or your sepals into your strainer, and you're going to take your spoon and press down on that because there is a ton of liquid or syrup in those petals. You see how it's coming out? So make sure don't discard the petals. And if you're not discarding the petals, you can use it to either put it in sweetbread or puree it and put it in cakes. You can put it in your fruit cake. So this is the syrup. Look at that vibrant dark burgundy color, guys. So amazing. How easy was that to make? Remember, as I said, it's concentrated, so use it like a couple tablespoons to make your drink, and use it to make my sorrel cheesecake. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Do make it. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for joining me again today. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.